Yamaha XJ600 Diversion. Review: dependable, comfortable bike. The Yamaha XJ600 Diversion is a Vauxhall Astra diesel amongst motorcycles, with all the worthiness and dreariness that implies. Designed from the outset to be soft, cheap, versatile, simple and novice-friendly, the curiously named Yamaha XJ600 Diversion is pleasant, predictable and a useful hack. But note the complete absence of the words desire, excitement, performance or thrills. However, as time has gone on and bikes have been put to the test over countless miles, the Divvy, as the Diversion became known, proved a reliable and capable workhorse. Originally launched in 1992, the first XJ600 Diversion was a no-frills budget commuter that used an air/oil-cooled, inline-four engine with a two-valve head design and a tubular steel chassis. Anything but sophisticated, it was a cheap and reliable form of transport that got on with the job without capturing many headlines. Ride quality and brakes. Again, the Yamaha XJ600 Diversion is adequate and novice-friendly rather than in any way inspiring or exciting. But as versatile, first big bike-type transport, the Divvy delivers the necessaries. The suspension is rather basic and the brakes a little soft, but it steers sweetly and the ride is good for two. Engine. The Yamaha XJ600 Diversion is softer than a marshmallow in a swimming pool. But then, that's the way it was meant to be. Purpose-designed air-cooled 4 is mechanically bullet and idiot-proof and pretty much the same to use. Don't go hunting for power bands, there aren't any. But the Yamaha XJ600 Diversion purrs around without a glitch quite happily and lasts forever. Looks a bit like an old classic Honda engine, too. Reliability and build quality. The Yamaha XJ600 Diversion was built to endure rather than impress. So steel proliferates over alloy, chunkiness over finery and straightforward, simple mechanicals over high-tech. It works, too. Not much goes wrong with the Yamaha XJ600 Diversion and mileages the wrong side of 50,000 are fairly common. The XJ600's two-valve engine is very robust, so treat any signs of oil weeps or smoking when cold as a warning. If it sounds sweet and the gearbox works, you should be fine. Our extensive Yamaha XJ600 owners reviews show loads of extremely satisfied owners, some having covered hundreds of thousands of miles on their bikes. Value versus rivals. In truth, not much comes close. No other 4 is as purpose-built for novices as the Yamaha XJ600 Diversion, and they were cheap new, and are even better value second-hand. The biggest thing against it are its looks and comprehensive lack of excitement. In that respect, a decent Bandit does everything the Yamaha XJ600 Diversion does, but with added thrills, for the same money. If you were looking to buy a new bike that does a similar job to a Yamaha XJ600, a Yamaha Tracer 7, Kawasaki vs 650 or Suzuki V-Strom 650 wouldn't be far off the money. Closer in feel engine-wise would be the 4-cylinder Honda CB650R, but that is much more expensive and powerful. Equipment. Not much to write home about, but first-time big bikers or couriers, cause they love M2, won't find much to complain about with the Yamaha XJ600 Diversion. The mirror's mirror, the instruments inform, the switchgear has everything in the right place, just like a Vauxhall Astra diesel, in fact.